words at different uh, in our daily to daily life.
Right.
So
So what is
if
the benefit that you can get? Can you point out, like say you can say in some points, like what benefits do you get if you just write a story out of the words that you see every day? Now, do you know why I'm giving such small words?
yes, sir, the small words are very
Like I'm not
easy
giving very
to.
tough words.
Yes, sir. It is very
Exactly.
easy to use in a sentence, sir.
Exactly. Yeah. So when you have small words now, and then you can actually go ahead and use that in sentences, form a story. So can you give me a few points, like why, how do you learn by writing a story? What are the things? What comes to your mind? Okay, Mr. Laba Sao has joined.
Sir.
Yes, Subrat, you just go ahead. Means I just want to know from you a few steps, like what is the importance of this story, writing a story with the words. So this is the
So,
only one thing that can make you learn this language, practice your language. See, it's not that you don't know English. You know English, na? You know
yes, sir.
English and
Yes,
you
sir.
can speak English, you can write English. But the problem is that when you have to express yourself somewhere in front of somebody, you do not
Sir.
get words, you do not get this connecting sentences. So that's what you have to practice, nothing else. Because when
Yes,
you
sir.
have passed your class 10, class 11, class 12, you have done your graduation, means you know English, you can read English, you can understand English, everything is okay. The only thing is that you have to practice connecting the sentences, connecting the words, connecting the grammatical parts what are in a right manner.
Yes, sir.
So welcome Laba Sahuji.
Sir, good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग, गुड इवनिंग. सो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे लाबा साहू जी दैट अभी एक स्टोरी लिखने का क्या बेनिफिट है. फाइन. सो वी एक्चुअली take the words every day but we are not writing a story, but what is the benefit of writing a story? So Subrat, just go ahead with a few points, then I will start with the session now.
Okay.
Sir, it helps to use the words in a sentence and makes us to correct our grammatical mistakes.
Exactly. See, when you write a story, you will come ahead with a lot of sentences. You will connect the sentences. Then somebody will be just telling you that, okay, you don't write the sentence like this. In place of is, you write was, or in place of, using this proposition, you use another. So, like that, the story can help you learn the art of language. Any language you can learn if you start writing stories. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So let us start with our session today. And fine. So before we start, we can have a 1 minute silence to just bring ourselves all over here. Fine. So let us
Yes, sir.
start our 1 minute. Yes. Just will be silent for 1 minute. Just concentrate and just be here and think about what we are going to learn today. Fine. So let's start. Okay, let's start up. So, welcome you all to the practice session today. Success Pioneer Journey, Communication Mastery. So, first of all, to start the session, I'll just like to tell you something about the importance of storytelling in language learning. See, whatever language you are going to learn, you are learning. If you start making stories, every story has got a power. Now, suppose you go to the market. So your wife or your sister, somebody tells you that, okay, you have to bring this, this, this. So actually what she is doing, she is actually telling you a small story. Okay, you have to bring this, you have to bring this, you have to bring this. This is nothing else but a small story. So every time when you do a conversation, it's nothing else but a story. So when you just start speaking as a story, something informing a story. Now, when you have, it is in practical, when you just do these stories, it is very naturally that it comes to you. But when you take some words and you have to form a story within these words, then think of the situation that you are going to improve your analytical and thinking ability, out of box thinking. Now, the another way of storytelling is that, okay, you have got 5 words today, you have formed a story out of it. Now, another next day, you are again getting 5 words. Then, how you're going to take the same story ahead with those next 5 words is going to be an art for you. That will require some thinking from your part. That will require as if how you think out of box, and then take that story. Now, in I have done a lot of like management classes where they give you situations, and they in that situation one person has to speak a story, एक story बोलना है. Now second person has to take that story ahead, whatever story he started with. The second person has to take that story ahead. Now the third person will take the story further ahead. He will add something, something else to it. Like way, if there are 10 people, every person will take the story ahead, and the story will come to an end with the 10th person. So think of the situation, how you are just subjected to think. So this storytelling is a very powerful tool, you know, that not only is very much important for learning any language, but even it is important for, you go to big management institutes, you go to training centers, they will tell you to do a story, to learn with stories. There are few benefits. I'll be coming with the points which are there, in the way, but I'm discussing my own experience first. That if you just remember something as a story, that story is going to tell you, keep you the things remembered for long time. You will not forget the thing. That is one other benefit of storytelling, that if you learn the words in form of stories, you are not going to just forget the words, and you are going to practically use those words. So that's why I'm telling you, if you are actually very serious about improving your language, I'm telling you again and again that, okay, I know you are all know English, you know how to speak, you know how to write, you know everything, but there is always a need for improvement. You can improve yourself, you can improve your skills. That's why that is the only way, that storytelling is the only way that you can go ahead. Because if you write a story, there are so many persons in the group who are ready to just tell that, okay, you correct yourself here, you correct yourself here. Here you'll be learning grammar as well, you'll be learning the use of connecting words, you'll be learning the use of how to connect sentences, how to connect, what are the tenses, what tenses should you use when. So everything you'll be learning. In a nutshell, I'll say that the entire language you can learn in the form of stories. So let's look at this, some few of the points. Now, story creates magic and sense of wonder. When you tell somebody something in form of a story, it's nothing else but it just looks like a magic. You start understanding everything in form of a story very well. Now, it's unique way to develop understanding. Now, when you make somebody understand some concept in form of a story, that is very well understood, and that is again kept for future as well. You will remember that in future as well. Now, story also promotes a feeling of well-being and relaxation, because if I'm telling some story to you, you'll get relaxed, isn't it? You'll just come to know that, okay, fine, no very big things are going to come. Now it's a story. So you start feeling a sense of well-being, and you start relaxing. And when you are feeling you have a feeling of well-being and you start relaxing, you understand things better, and the things remain with you in a better way. Now, story also increases willingness to communicate through and feelings. It increases active participation, because when you are telling a story, people are able to understand, connect with you. Now they can understand the practical situations, then they will start participating as well. Now it also increases the verbal proficiency. because while telling a story, you are so comfortable that, okay, you can also, use your creativity or verbal creativity, whatever extra words you have, you can use those in your stories, and you can go ahead with this. It also increases the use of imagination and creativity. It enhances your listening skill, because when somebody is, when do you listen? Can anybody tell me that? When do you listen nicely or correctly? What is the main thing that there are so many situations where you have to listen, but your listening skill is more at some particular point, like that point is when the person who is speaking, he is making sense and he is able to connect to you. Now if I start giving you big concepts in form of lectures, you will never be a good listener. You will always start owning, and you'll just go ahead in your own thoughts. But when a story is being told, then you'll be interested in knowing what's happening in the story, what is going to happen in the story. So your listening skills are going to increase in the form of stories. Telling a story can captivate an audience. Telling stories personalizes your speech as well. Okay, Sudipto ji has joined. Welcome, Sudipto ji. Then telling your stories also personalizes your speech. Like whatever I can include my own personal stories, and when I say my personal stories, they are actually true. Welcome, Sudipto ji. Welcome.
Welcome, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. So, Sudipto ji, we are just today talking first. We are talking about what is the importance of storytelling. Now, why it is very much important to whatever words we are getting every day, why it is very much important to connect those words in form of stories. Fine. So
Sure.
these are a few of the points. Now, when you start using stories, actually you personalize your speech. You include some of your personal experiences. Now, when you talk about your personal experiences, they are true, na? At least something which has happened to me in my life, that you'll definitely believe. Okay, this is not bookish, this is something what I'm telling you from my own experience. So that will impact you more as compared to the bookish knowledge. Fine. So these are a few points that we can have about storytelling. Now, storytelling among adults, whatever we have just covered it is all about, even children are very much interested in listening to stories. So that is the best way to make a child understand any concept. That's why in schools they follow storytelling things. But in adult part also, because adults cannot remember things for long. So to have that remembrance, to make them remember the things for long, storytelling is the best way for adult learning also. Now, when you tell a story, you also form a strong bond forming between the whoever is telling the story and whoever is listening the story. So there comes out to be a strong bond between them. So that's why let's go ahead with our session now. This storytelling is very important, and I always emphasize, I will emphasize that start writing stories, start writing, then only you will be, making mistakes, and those mistakes will make you learn. So never be afraid of making mistakes. Just go ahead and start writing the stories. Fine. So our today's agenda will be practicing with our word power. We'll discuss the special words. We'll have some grammar discussion, and then since only 5-6% are there, so maybe breakout rooms will not go ahead with. Fine, but we'll be discussing this storytelling, that is future of the language learning, as a topic we'll be discussing today. Fine. So let's ahead and just start with our word power, like whatever words we have done in this week. Let's go ahead and just see those words. Now I'll be coming out with the meanings of these words, but let us discuss these words in form of in our own language, like what we think of these words. Now I have a word here, badly. Now everybody knows the meaning of badly. I just think that, okay, I cannot say that anybody do not know the word of me, means the meaning of this badly. Then my question is why I have used this word here. Badly, belong, experience, heard, judgment, likely, rare, recite. These words, even a 5 class, child will tell you what is the meaning of it. But still, these words are used here. Yes. Anybody can say that why these small words are being used here? Sudipta ji.
Sir, badly, sir, who is it so very much bad, sir?
Yeah, that is not my
Too
question.
much bad.
My question is not that. My question is why I have used such small words. Sudipta ji, it's for your understanding.
Sir,
Why I have taken such small words.
So, so we know their meaning, but
Yeah,
we do not express, sir.
exactly. Now, Suprat, I just want you to make a sentence that will include this word badly and belong. Just make a
Badly.
sentence, one line sentence that will have a word badly and belong. Because you see, badly means not in a good way. Now, belong, you also know that, okay, if something, is mine, then it belongs to me. So
Yes, sir.
I want you to make a sentence with the word badly and belong, where in this sentence, see, I'm just trying to demonstrate you that what is the benefit of writing that story and nothing else. I have words badly, belong, and experience. Now take these 3 words. So Diptaji also, you can try also. Take these 3 words and write, tell me just 1 or 2 sentences in which these 3 words will be there. So first Subrat will say, badly, belong, and experience. Yeah. Yes, Subrat, just think of your mind, because there will be nothing wrong or right in it here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Subrat. Just make a sentence, something, anything, randomly you just make it. Yes, Subrat.
I belongs to Jagatsinghpur. This
Exactly.
area is badly affected by 1999 cyclone.
Right.
So the people of this area experienced this type of cyclone and learn how to survive in this situation.
Exactly. Very good. Very good, Subrat. So this is how you said that, okay, you belong to Jagat Singhpur,
Yes, sir.
and Jagat Singhpur had a very bad, bad experience of some cyclone. So they are badly affected with the cyclone.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Now, Sudipto ji, if you have to say the same thing, did you understand what Subrat said?
yes, sir.
Yes. So can you just tell the same thing in your way? You have to say the same thing. Jagat Singhpur, cyclone, and badly. So just say
Sir.
the same concept in your own words.
Sir, the meaning is that, sir, nowadays people affected badly in COVID-19.
Exactly. Right.
COVID-19.
Right.
So, I am also belongs to Bolangir. I have the experience. So what can be
Stop.
people
Sudipto ji,
do?
just stop here. You said,
Sir.
I am also belong to Bolangir.
Bolangir.
I am also belong to Bolangir. Now, Subrat, how will you correct this sentence? I am also belong to Bolangir.
I also belongs to Balangir.
नहीं, I am belong to Bolangir होगा सर.
नहीं, सुदीप्तो जी, क्योंकि अगर आप बिलोंग्स लगाते हैं, अगर बिलोंग्स होगा तो एम होगा, बट you see this word is not connecting. I belongs to Bolangir. Simple. No need of using am here. Or you can just say I belong to Bolangir.
I belong to Bolangir.
Yeah. No need of using an in between. Fine. So can you repeat the sentence?
now, sir, the people very badly affected in COVID-19.
Exactly. People are badly affected because when you're saying people, you have to use a plural, isn't it? Yeah. Now people, yeah, people are badly affected in,
affected in COVID-19
yeah, or badly affected due to COVID-19.
due to COVID-19.
Yeah. Now people are badly affected due to COVID-19. Yes. After that,
And
yeah, इसको पढ़ाइए, belong को लाइए फिर.
हाँ sir, I belong to Balangir.
हाँ सुदीप्ता जी.
I belong to Balangir. I have the experience.
Exactly.
How can sufferer
Yeah.
people in Balangir town?
Right,
have
right.
the-
Very nice,
I have
very
the-
nice attempt. Yeah. So यहाँ पर जो हम लोग बोले कि I belong to Bolangir. Bolangir is very badly affected due to COVID-19,
COVID-19.
and my experience with COVID-19 is very bad. Or not only my, but everybody's experience with COVID-19 is very bad. So you see, okay, सुदीप्ता जी आप थोड़ा म्यूट कर दीजिए अपना. अब म्यूट कर
नहीं सर,
दीजिए.
वो दूसरा कहाँ से आ रहा है? वो बच्चा
Okay,
का
okay.
आवाज दूसरा कहाँ से आ रहा है?
अच्छा अच्छा. सो एवरीबडी जहां से भी आवाज आ रहा है वो अपना म्यूट कर दीजिए. ओके ओके. सो अब जब भी बोलना होगा ना तो आप अनम्यूट करके बोलेंगे.
हाँ
ठीक है. ओके. सो फाइन. सो हम एक ये चीज दिखाना चाहते थे कि हाउ यू कैन यूज स्टोरी टेलिंग टू इम्प्रूव योर लैंग्वेज. देखिए ग्रामर तो विल बी स्टडिंग टेंसेज, विल बी स्टडिंग ग्रामर, विल बी स्टडिंग कनेक्टिंग द सेंटेंसेज, but that will not help you in speaking and the practical way. But when you start writing the story now and somebody is going to correct it, you will learn there. Fine. And you will also get the reason why it is being said. So there you can utilize the knowledge of your grammar. Fine. So that's why this storytelling, the story writing with the words is very important. If you're not doing it, again the same thing will happen that okay, you learn the grammar and after 5 days, 10 days, 20 days, you will just forget it. It's not possible for you to keep all the concept of for always. Fine, let's go ahead. So badly, it means, what does it mean badly? If I have to use it say the meaning of badly.
So बुरी तरह से.
Yeah, in a severe and a harmful way. Fine.
Harmful.
So
Arnav Goswami Arnav Goswami belongs to journalism.
Exactly.
Nowadays, he was beaten badly in police station. His experience was very worst in
Right.
police station.
Right. And he had a very worse experience at the police station. So, other way, if you say this, he had a very worst experience at the police station.
Police station.
Fine. So your way was also right, Manoj, but you can say in another way also. So this is how, if everybody starts writing a story now, you'll say the same, you'll see that 10 persons will write the same sentence in 10 ways. So you learn 10 ways to of, the things. Fine. So now comes the word belong. Belong means to own something. If something, this mobile is mine, means it belongs to me. Means I own this mobile. Fine. Experience is something seen or done. If I see something or I have done something, means I have experienced it. I have lived it. Fine. Experiencing something means living something. Fine. Okay.
Yes.
So now the 3 words will be heard, judgment, and likely. Now, Laba Sahuji, can you just make a sentence out of these 3? Heard, judgment, and likely.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you just say randomly think any sentence. कुछ भी आपको उड़िया में बोलना उड़िया में बोल सकते हैं, no problem. We'll just convert it into. Yes. बोलिए लाला साहब. Yes, you have to use these 3 words: heard, judgment, likely.
Likely. Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes.
his judgment are very hard to me. Likely, hello.
Right. Yeah. Very nice
His
going.
judgments are very hard to me.
Yeah, you can you say it like this? His judgment hurt me a lot.
Hurt me a lot.
Yeah,
Okay,
or
sir.
you can say it like this: his judgment is likely to hurt me a lot. I
Yeah,
know
okay,
that
sir.
his judgment is likely to hurt me a lot. मतलब उनका इसका जो जजमेंट आएगा हमको पता है कि ये हमको बहुत ज्यादा हर्ट करने जा रहा है. Fine, that is
अच्छा,
one way.
okay, sir.
Or what you said, it is also okay that his judgment is going to hurt me, is likely to hurt me a lot. Fine.
Likely to.
You can repeat it. Please repeat, Laba Sauji.
Hello. His judgment is going to. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Right, you're right. Go ahead.
Okay,
Yes, his
his
judgment is
judgment
going
is
to.
is going to likely hurt to me.
Then again, you don't use to. His judgment is going to likely hurt me. Or
Okay, sir. Is going
even if
to
you don't
likely hurt
use
me.
going to here, if you do not use going to here, it is all okay. Like his judgment is likely to hurt me.
Likely to hurt me. Okay.
Yeah, because likely itself, it means that it is going to, it gives you the sense, isn't it? So
Okay,
his
sir.
judgment is likely to hurt me. I know
sir.
that his judgment is likely to hurt me. Fine. Oh, anybody would
Okay, sir.
else would like to try a sentence? Manoj? Yes, Dev, anybody can try a sentence?
सर आई एम गोइंग टू सर नमस्ते.
Yes, yes, yes. Namaste, गिधारी जी. कैसे हैं?
सर नमस्ते. हाँ सर
Thank you, thank you for joining, गिधारी जी.
ओके सर थैंक यू. सर आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट एक्सप्रेस
Yeah,
सम लाइन.
Yes, please, please go ahead. Yeah.
Okay sir. Sir, our state government is when the judgment
Uh,
state government when the judgment
right.
very
right.
hot
Yeah.
very hot to our all people.
Okay.
Hmm.
Acha, गिधारी जी, just tell me the meaning in Udia. What you wanted to say?
मैंने
और
सर
हिंदी
मैं
में या उड़िया में?
ये चाहना चाहता हूँ कि
हाँ, हाँ.
मैंने गवर्नमेंट जो जजमेंट दिया है
हाँ.
मैंने वो अब मैंने सभी व्यक्ति को हट कर रहा है.
Yeah,
ऐसी
so-
जजमेंट दिया है कि
The judgment passed by the government is likely to hurt everybody.
everybody. Okay sir.
Repeat it. Repeat it.
Yeah.
The judgment.
The judgment
Yeah. Passed by the government, because judgment अगर आएगा, so it is going to be passed by the government. ना?
okay हाँ the judgment passed
With
the government
Yeah.
which is hot the every people.
Not which is. The judgment passed by the government is likely to hurt every people or every person.
Okay sir.
Fine. Means there are many words now which we should remove. Like even if I want, I can remove these words, like the judgment. I can also remove the word past. The judgment by the government is likely to hurt
Right.
many people.
Many people.
Are you getting? Are you connecting why I'm saying that? Now, what you said, the judgment. What you said again? Say again. What you said?
The judgment
Yeah.
the
Right.
judgment passed
Yeah.
by the government
Hmm.
passed by the government which is hot by every people.
Yeah. So ये which is जो बीच में है ना, it should not come.
Okay हाँ.
Now you can say is going to hurt many people, or but you have a word here likely. So better use that word. Is likely
Okay,
to
okay,
hurt many people. Fine. So
Likely
the
to
judgment
hurt people.
passed by the government is likely to hurt many people. Now अभी आप which is use कर रहे हैं ना, that should not be used in between.
Okay sir.
Right.
हाँ.
Okay.
The,
Now any
the,
yeah,
the,
yeah. Yes, yes.
the judgment of the Mumbai court in the case of Arnab Goswami
Hmm.
is hot, likely many people.
Okay,
Is
correct.
likely to hurt many people.
Likely to
Right.
hurt many people.
Hurt many people.
भी ये likely है क्या? ये likely है क्या? Likely का मतलब है
मतलब उसकी जजमेंट की वजह से बहुत लोगों को
हट कर रहा है।
लाइकली का मतलब यहाँ है कि टू हैपन प्रोबेबली, शायद वो होगा, फाइन, शायद वो होगा. सो लाइकली ये है क्या, नाउन है कि एडजेक्टिव है कि वर्ब है? एनीबडी कैन से व्हाट इज इट लाइकली? Is it a verb?
Sir, adverb.
Verb.
Exactly, it is an adverb, right?
Adverb.
You understand what is adverb? Means adverb is something that talks about the verb. So what is the verb here? When I'm saying, okay, when I'm saying that, okay, the judgment passed by the state government is likely to hurt any others, everybody. So what is the verb here?
Hurt.
Hurt is the verb. So this likely is something that talks about the heart, the verb. So it is an adverb.
Adverb, sir.
So
Okay.
why not use this better in place of which is or something else? Use likely there, isn't it?
Likely. Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it's so lucid. Like when you speak up a sentence now, like when you will start forming such sentence, and when you have the practice now, you'll able to yourself understand, okay, this is why here likely should be here, which is should not come here. But that requires a practice of everyday practice. Fine.
Sir.
So that will come naturally to you. You yourself will. अभी आप उड़िया में अगर हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं अगर किसी को कि हम वहाँ जाने वाले थे लेकिन जाएंगे, या if suppose, तो आप तो पकड़ लेंगे ना कि यहाँ ये नहीं वर्ड होना चाहिए था, ऐसा होना चाहिए था. Even if you don't know the grammar, you'll be able to catch it up. Fine. कि यहाँ पर ये वर्ड नहीं, ये वर्ड होना चाहिए था.
The judgment,
Yeah, Manoj. Yes.
the judgment given by the third umpire
Yeah.
is likely to hurt many fans of Dhoni.
Right.
Okay.
Very
Right.
correct.
Correct.
Very means totally correct use of the words. Thank you, Manoj.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go ahead with the two other words. So likely, okay, fine.
Recite.
You understood? The last two words are rare and reside. Anybody would like to try making a sentence with rare and reside? Rare, we all know it's scarce.
Rare people are
It's
reside
rare to
in the beach.
Yeah.
Rare
Again.
rare people are reside in the beach.
People rarely resides at near the beach.
Okay, sir.
I
People are
have a
near-
word, sir. Can I
Yeah.
say?
Tell me. Yeah. Dev.
Sir, it's rare to meet nice people like you.
Okay.
Great, good.
Okay. Thank you.
Very good. देखिए इसी तरह हंसते बोलते हम लोग को सीख लेना है.
Right. So it's very okay. Fine. Thank you. So rare and reside. So see, I'm just trying to stress on that. Okay, all these words, how easy these words are, but the main purpose of giving these words is that you start using those words in stories. Then that is my job to tell you that, okay, you can write this like, don't write like this, write like this, and why you should write like this, and what are the things that you should omit, the words, the extra words which you're using, the extra prepositions, the extra verbs you are using in your sentence. And day will come when you will start doing everything right. Fine. So this is what the magic of storytelling is. I want to stress on you. Fine. Let's go ahead with the special words. Now, I'm not interested to learn these special words so much, because you see, these special words will help you only to decorate your language. But I just warn everybody not to use these special words when you are talking in public. People will not understand, and your communication will not be then right. Fine. You will not be able to meet the goal of your communication, isn't it? Okay. So erudite.
Wise man, wisdom,
Yeah.
educated person.
Yeah. Something that has to do with knowledge gained by study. If I study hard, I gain some knowledge. Some knowledge I gain by experience, but some knowledge I gain by the books. So the knowledge that I gain by studying is erudite. Right? Now comes the next word, homologate. Acha, can anybody say, speak of any other word that you can use suppose erudite is a very tough word. I don't want to use in my sentences. Then what other word can I use? Having
Wisdom,
or
wise.
yeah, wisdom, wise person, person full of wisdom, like that you can use. Fine. Okay. Now, homologate. Yeah, it's to allow or sanction officially. So you just go
To
and say
approve.
somebody exactly to approve. So if I just say that, okay, I will not homologate the app, you just go and download the app that I have given you. I'm not going to homologate it. What you'll say? If I just start showing you that I know great English, and I just tell you that, okay, I have given you an app, like to download an app. Now you get a password, then it comes to me for approval. Then I'll say that, okay, I'm not going to homologate your app, the app that you have downloaded. So how many of you will understand this? If suppose you don't know the meaning.
I'm not going to approve you.
Yeah, that means I'm not going to approve it. But in spite of using allow or approval, I'm just saying that, okay, I'm going to homologate.
You approve that.
Yeah.
It is
So
very
yeah. Tell me, Manoj.
it is very tough word for us.
Exactly. So
If we don't know
homologate.
the meaning of this
Exactly.
homologate,
Now,
this is
even if
very
you
tough for
learn
us.
the meaning of this homologate today, after 1 month, you will not remember. That's why whenever I'm giving these words in the WhatsApp and Facebook, now I'm just trying to make a video out of it. I'm trying to put some pictures that will make you remember these words. But I
So
always
we can say, sir, kindly homologate our expense, my expense.
exactly. Sanction it or approve it. Fine. So right. So you try to have these words at a separate place. Write these up, because these words you can use. At least it will be for your understanding. Like someday, if you come in across these words, somebody using these words, you can understand it. So that will add to your beauty of your language. Fine. Okay. The next word is exalt.
I think it is similar to reissue.
Yeah.
To
Tell
be
me.
extremely joyful.
Yeah. Dev, you are saying something.
Yes, I think it is similar to reissues.
Reissue.
Yeah.
No, I didn't get you. Means what do you want to say? Reissue means?
I think it's also word similar to reissue.
Reissue.
Yeah, reissue.
No. It is related to joy. Means if I do something which is joyful for me, I am actually exalt. Fine. Means if it is joyful, it is exalt. Okay. Now comes multifarious.
Variety, lot of variety. Big
Exactly.
Bazaar has a multifarious
Yes.
goods.
So today, when I had given this word, I had given some, cloths. There are so many variety of cloths in the shop. So that way you can just remember that. Now comes pertinacious. Pertinacious means holding firmly to an opinion or cause of action. Suppose I believe in something, so that is my pertinacious belief. Means I believe it. Nobody can make me understand. Okay, that I'm wrong or I'm right. What I believe means if some of my beliefs are pertinacious, because I don't eat non-veg. So it means it is a pertinacious idea for me that nobody can convince me to eat non-veg, because I have got some, opinion in my mind that I should not eat non-veg, isn't it?
In Hindi, say kattar.
Kattar, right. So holding that firmly an opinion or a cause of action. Fine.
Sir.
Now, can anybody try a story out of these 5 words? Like if I just say, if I have to use erudite and pertinacious, I can say that the persons who are erudite, they are mostly not pertinacious, because they get an ability to think and reason out. Fine.
Okay, I'm trying.
Yeah, please try.
I'm
Manoj,
trying
yes.
to explain.
Yes, Manoj, please.
Ram is a very erudite person. He want to start his started his pharma company.
Not
So
started.
he
wants to start his pharma company.
He want to start pharma company.
Wants to start a pharma company, or his pharma
Ram
company.
is a very erudite person. He
Right.
wants to start pharma company.
Okay.
To starting this pharma company, he wants homologate.
In order to start this
pharma company,
yes.
he wants homologate to drug inspector.
Okay.
After getting homologate, he felt very exalted.
Yeah.
And
as he got
opened,
the homologate, he felt exalted. He felt as he got the homologate from the official, he felt exalted.
Okay.
Fine. Yeah.
And his
Yes. Yeah.
And his pharma
his pharma company is going to have multifarious drugs. Yeah.
And he is very pertinious in he is not going to give any discount. He is very pertinious in this matter.
He is not going to give any discount. Fine.
Yeah.
It should not be given. He is not going to give any discount due to his pertinacious nature.
Pertinacious nature. So Ram is very erudite person.
Right.
He wants to open a pharma company.
Right.
Open this pharma company. First, he wants to homologate.
He needs an homologate from the
drug inspector.
From the drug inspectors. Yeah.
After getting this homologate, he felt very exalted.
Yeah, right.
He started his pharma company, and in his company there are multifarious drugs.
Yeah.
In his farm.
Right.
And he is very pertinious in his
he is very pertinacious about giving discounts.
He is very pertinious about giving discounts.
Or you can say that he never wants to give any discount because of his pertinacious nature. Fine. Right. So everybody it is clear now?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
like
sir.
that,
Okay, sir.
keep the meanings of these words, try to form a story. Now let the sentences go wrong. Somebody is there to correct you. Fine. Once corrected, you can rewrite the sentences in you can reform the story and see how the meaning of the story changes, what are the mistakes you're making, and that way do it for 2-3 months, you'll see how the improvement has to come. Fine. Okay. Now what's there? So now it comes the comprehension practice. So Subrat, just tell this story in your own language. You have to just speak out the story, and I want everybody to listen very carefully so that you can understand what that will be your listening skill. Subrat is going to demonstrate his speaking skill. Now others are going to have listening skill and comprehending, making comprehension out of the listening. Fine, Subrat, let's start.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm going to tell a story about the sun child and a jackal. The story is about how the jackal get it black mark on its back. One day, the jackal saw a girl sitting on the rock. She was very rare and warm and beautiful. The child
Right.
saw the jackal and smiled. The the girl said that she has been relaxing on this rock for a long time. Uh, she said she was slow and the jackal was very fast, so that she told the jackal to get her to the home.
Right.
The girl said, If the jackal do so, she will give a necklace to him." The jackal agreed with the son child. Uh, son child.
Yes.
Mm,
The
The
jackal agreed with the
agreed with
son
the
child.
son child. The son child sat on the jackal's back. They started to walk, but soon the jackal felt ill. Because the sun child was very hot on its back. Mm, so the jackal's back was hurting badly.
Right.
The jackal thought he made a bad judgment. So the jackal said to the girl to get up her from him, get up from him.
Right.
But the son child did not get up. The jackal's back was
He refused to get down.
refused to get up.
Yeah, because jackal was feeling hurt, so he wanted the sun child to go down, but
Yes,
he
sir.
refused to come down. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes. But the jackal's back was getting hotter and hotter. So the jackal made a plan to get up the son child
Right.
and ran as fast as he could.
Right.
So the jackal thought the son child would fall off from its back, but she did not.
Right.
So finally, she made a decision to um, jump into a flower field.
Right.
So the child rolled up from his back.
Right.
The jackal then the jackal ran away very fastly,
Mhm.
but the child make a mark on the jackal's back.
Right.
Since then, the jackal get the black mark from its back.
Right. So this story is about. Can
Uh,
anybody
how-
say what this story is about?
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes. Yes. Please.
Sir, why he is using a lot, more number of jackal word in this story, sir? He can
May I
use
know who is
pronouns.
speaking?
Mr.
Biswajit.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Mr. Actually, my screen is sharing, so I'm not able to see actually who is speaking. Fine.
Sir, we can use pronouns like written here, but he is using more number of jackal word in this story, sir.
Yeah, actually, see, this is a story that has been taken from, some book. It is a book,
Yes, sir.
a child book. Fine, it's a
Yes, sir.
small child's book. So, that way it is for small children. When you teach, what happens? You have to say many times jackal, jackal. Fine.
Sir,
That's why
but,
I've just taken
yes,
it from there. Yeah.
yes, sir.
Means, yeah, you're right. You should, as an adult person, you should not be using jackal many times.
Sir,
But actually, I've
does
taken.
it sounds good to tell jackal a lot of times, sir?
And actually, see, he was not reading it out. He was speaking in his own words.
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
Yeah. So fine. You are very correct. You are very right. We should not be using the word jackal many a time. Fine. So thank you for your input, Vishwajit.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much. So let's understand the story now. Can anybody tell the same story in his own words? Because you see, now Subrat has told the story in his own words. Now, how much we have understood by listening to him, that needs to be checked actually. So that's our listening skill. So anybody would like to demonstrate his listening skills? and then that is your speaking skills as well. So anybody would like to try? At least start, no problem. We'll just take it up. Means we'll just help you in between also. So anybody? See, first of all, is it clear that what does this story is about? Just if anybody could comprehend it, that what does this story, actually what this story is about?
So the story is about the jackal and the sun child.
Right, jackal and the sun child. Yeah, they are the two characters. The jackal is one character.
Yes, sir.
The sun child is one character. So they are actually Amitabh Bachchan and the villain or whoever. Fine, or the Jackie Shroff. But actually, Amitabh Bachchan and Jackie Shroff, they are the only actors. But what they actually want to say in the story, this story actually wants to tell something. That's I want to make you understand. Can by just reading the story, can you comprehend that? Okay, what does this story talk about? See, that is the name of the story, Jackal and the Sun Child. But through this story, the writer of the story intends to give you some message. Anybody can try. Subrat, you can also say if you
Yes, sir. The story is about how the jackal get a black mark on his back.
Exactly. The main central idea of this story is that the person who has told this story, he wants to make you understand why every jackal has a black, mark on his back, isn't it? So having a black mark on the back of a jackal has a story, and this is the story. Why? How he got that black mark, isn't it? Is it clear to everybody? So this is how you see the last line of the story, where it is very clearly written that ever since his experience with the sun child, the jackal has had a black back. Fine. Because you see, if suppose you have some mark on your body, like say in your hand, in your head somewhere, people will ask, how come this mark has come to your body? So you'll definitely have a story to tell, na? Okay, this thing happened, that's why this black mark has come on me. Is it okay? So this is how this story is all about, why the jackal has a black mark on his back. Fine. Okay, so whenever you read some story or read some paragraph, try to take out the central idea of that paragraph. Then your communication is going to improve. Fine. So anything you read on the day, anything you read in your company, anything you read, try to take out the central idea. And once you start practicing it, it will automatically come to you then. Fine. Let's go ahead. So what is the story all about? It is about how the jackal got his visible black mark. Fine. Okay. Now the second question, what king of girl was the sun child? Can anybody recall the story and say? Subrat, you'll not say. Anybody else can say. What king of girl was the sun child? That sun child was a special girl, na?
Rare and beautiful.
Yeah.
She was rare.
He was rare and beautiful.
Exactly. She was rare and definitely she was not a normal child, because she is a sun child. She cannot be normal. She was not ill even. She was not shy
Rare
as well,
and
because she could. Exactly. She was not shy also, because she could very frankly ask for help. Fine. Okay. She could ask the jackal to take her on the back, and some shy person will never ask for help, isn't it? Okay. So the thing is, she was rare and beautiful. Okay. Now, why did the jackal ran in the field? Whether the jackal wanted to continue his journey, or it wanted a new place to reside, to take a nap and relax, or to get away from the sun child. So what was the reason that jackal ran in the field?
To get away from the sun child.
Right, correct, very correct.
Yeah.
Now, why he wanted to get away from the sun child? There was some, there might be some reason. Na? The sun child was sitting on the jackal's back. So what was happening due to which the jackal wanted to get rid of the sun child? Was there any reason?
The jackal's back was hurting very badly.
Yeah, it was hurting very badly because of the sun. Because you see, she was the sun child. She was hot. Even she was hurting his back very badly. So anyhow, he thought that, okay, I did a really great mistake by taking this child on my back. I thought she's a small child. What will happen? Nothing is going to happen. Such a small child, but might be he was not knowing that she's a sun's child. She's a special child. Means she has some special powers. And her body is going to hurt his back, and as he was getting hurt, he tried to just get rid of the child. Right.
See the magic. She hurt badly. Magic यही था कि स्टोरी से हम लोगों ने सीखा वहाँ hurt badly और ये यहाँ निकला hurt badly. That is the magic.
Exactly. So that's why the story that I've chosen is according to the words. All the words, if it is not there, I have included it anyhow. Fine. Now, what happened at the end of the story? What happened?
The small child became aware of the jackal's black back.
The sun child became aware of the jackal's black back.
No.
No. Then any other options? Do you remember that the child was able to get out of the jackal's pack or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
The option C. The option C. The sun child rolled up the jackal.
Rolled up the jackal's pack. Yeah, because he was trying. He tried to pull back the child. Anyhow, he tried to run fast. He tried to just go in the field and do all the things he could do, so to get the child out of his back. So finally he was able to roll down the child. Fine. Okay. Now what did the sun child request? Now we are going back in the story. What did the sun child request? Now she had requested something to the jackal. No? That's why the jackal had taken her on the back.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what did the sun child request?
The sun child requested
to the jackal. Yeah.
Requested the jackal to get her to home.
Right. Everybody is clear with this?
Yes.
This is what the sun child had requested to the jackal. Right? Okay. So do you think that, okay, see, this is a story that is read by 5 or 4 class students, but we are studying it here. We are just trying to learn from this story because we are just trying to learn what is comprehension. If I take very big, very tough articles, you will not be able to understand the things, or you will not have the interest. At least this small story, you can understand yourself and you can try to comprehend. Once we'll start using it, we'll start taking up more difficult articles from the newspapers, from somewhere, and then we'll again comprehend that. Okay. So it is the starting. That's why we are taking small things, so that we get the practice, we get usual to this, how to do it. Because the same article, I could have taken a big article, a very tough article with tough words, and we could have discussed. But then, that will be not, of any use at present. Fine. So let's go ahead. Now, here is some grammar practice, like rewrite the following sentences using contractions. So now you understand what is contraction? Anybody? You just can explain what is a contraction?
Short form of words.
Exactly. Like one is done for you. It is another sunny day today. So in spite of writing it is, I can write it's. It's very common now. We use it every day. It's another sunny day today. isn't it? In
Yes.
spite of writing, it is another sunny day today, we
Sunday
can
today.
use it as it's another sunny day today. Fine. So we'll just use the second one. This is my sister, she is 5. So which word will you change here? This is my sister, she is 5. So which
Seeds.
word? Yeah,
Seeds.
exactly.
apostrophe
You can
S.
use exactly. So she is 5. Means just pronunciation will somewhat differ, and when you write, you'll have to write with the apostrophe S. Okay, I'm not very interested in sports.
I am.
I am.
I am.
I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm not.
fine. So is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, she is not my best friend. You are my best friend.
Is not.
She is not my best friend. You are my best friend. See, here there are two
Isn't.
places.
Is.
See,
She is and comma
Yeah.
active. And
exactly. See, the first line you can leave it also.
Yeah.
She is not my best friend, but you are my best
my
friend.
best
So
friend.
in
You
place
are.
of you are, you can write yar.
You are.
You
You are.
and then with the apostrophe just fine.
Okay.
And here also you can, if you want to change, you can change it here also. Like she is not means she isn't my best friend. You are my
Isn't.
best friend.
Yeah.
So I'll just suggest that only change at one place. If you change the first one,
One place.
don't change the second one. If you change the second
Second.
one, don't change the first one. Fine.
Okay.
It looks better. Okay. Now, cats are not as noisy as dogs.
Are not.
Are not. Are not.
Aren't, yeah. Cats aren't
Aren't.
as noisy as dogs.
Hmm.
Now, we are busy doing our homework.
We are.
We are.
We are busy means we, and then we can use apostrophes as here. Now, she is busy cleaning the car in the garage. She's
Sees.
fine.
Yes.
Okay. Sudipta ji, are you clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, our teacher is not very tall.
Isn't.
Our teacher
Uh,
isn't
isn't.
very
Yeah.
tall. Yeah.
Is not.
Is not.
Isn't.
Isn't.
Our teacher isn't very tall. My parents are not home from work yet.
Are not.
Are not.
Aren't. Yeah. My parents aren't home from
Aren't
work
home
yet.
from yet.
My parents aren't home from work yet. My friend is not very good at math.
My
My
friend
friend isn't
good at
very
math.
good at math. Right.
Hmm.
Fine. So it was, I have not taken more grammar slides today. So let's go ahead with, there is a saying here that we are as a species addicted to story. Even when the body goes to sleep, the mind stays up all night, telling itself stories. Means, see, the picture is not very clear because I have taken a small picture and I've dragged it so badly that it has all got like this. Fine. I've taken a very small picture and I've dragged it. That's why it is not looking good or it is not very clear. So the concept is we are as a species. See, everybody, each one of us are a species, some species. Now we are addicted to story. Means every day we use stories. Even when the body goes to sleep, even when you sleep, you have what? Dreams. Dreams are nothing but story. You can get up in the morning and start telling your dream story. Fine. So this was the message. Now let's start up with, I will just stop sharing my screen. Now Manoj, now he will be taking us with some grammar tips. So are you going with that, Manoj?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Fine. So let's start with some grammar tips today. Yes, Manoj.
First-
No, all yours. Yeah.
Welcome to Successpreneur Journey. Hello, everyone.
Hello, Manoj.
Hello.
Thank you.
Good evening.
Today I'm going to teach you words.
Thank you. So we'll be discussing
Have you
verb
any
today. Yes.
verbs? Have you any idea of what is verbs?
Yes, the doing. Yeah.
What is verb?
Yes, Subrat, tell.
Please speak. आप जब तक नहीं बोलेंगे साथ नहीं
Yes,
देंगे.
Subrat is speaking.
Yes, sir.
Subrat is speaking.
Yes.
Verb conveys an action.
Exactly, means right.
Exactly. ये हम लोगों ने बचपन से ही सुना पढ़ा है इसके बारे में कि verb is the one which describe the action or the state of the subject.
Right.
Here I am using two words, action and state. Verb is the one which describe the action or the state of the subject. अगर मान लीजिए कोई सब्जेक्ट एक्शन कर रहा है, कोई एक्शन उस सेंटेंस में है, तो मतलब वो वर्ब है. और किसी सेंटेंस में स्टेट ऑफ सब्जेक्ट है, सब्जेक्ट की स्टेट की जानकारी दी गई है, तब भी वो वहां पर वर्ब है. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल से समझाता हूं. जैसे मैं कहूं कि अयांश इज प्लेइंग, यहाँ पर वर्ब कौन क्या है?
Play.
अयांश इज प्लेइंग.
Play.
तो यहाँ पे वर्ब क्या है? प्लेइंग.
Right.
हेलो,
Right.
आप लोग
Playing
हैं
is the
सब
verb.
साथ में सुन रहे हैं?
Yeah, everybody is there.
या तो अयांश इज प्लेइंग, प्लेइंग इज अ वर्ब. यहाँ पर प्लेइंग जो है वर्ब है. अगर मैं आपसे ये कहूं कि अयांश इज 8 month old, तो यहाँ पर तो कोई वर्ब नहीं है, कोई एक्शन हो रहा है क्या?
नहीं.
अयांश इज 8 months old, यहाँ पे कोई एक्शन हो रहा है? नहीं हो रहा है. सिर्फ हम अयांश की एक स्थिति को बता रहे हैं, एक अवस्था को बता रहे हैं, जस्ट एक स्टेट को बता रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पर जो वर्ब है वो इज है, और वो जो अब अयांश की स्थिति है 8 month पुराना, वो उसकी स्थिति को बता रहा है. तो वर्ब जो है दो तरह से हम लोग एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, एक एक्शन और दूसरा स्टेट ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट. ठीक है?
Okay.
जैसे मैं कहूं कि अयांश इज 8 month old, या फिर मैं कहूं कि अयांश वाज 8 month old, या फिर मैं कहूं अयांश विल बी 8 month old. ये जो इज, वाज, विल बी है, ये भी एक वर्ब ही है. वर्ब के दो फॉर्म होते हैं, मेन वर्ब और हेल्पिंग वर्ब. मेन वर्ब वो होता है, मेन वर्ब describe the action of the subject in a sentence, like to think, to dance, to sing. और उसका जो दूसरा भाग होता है हेल्पिंग वर्ब, वो उसके स्टेट को बताता है. वो स्टेट को बताता है कि वो जो इंफॉर्मेशन मिल रहा है वो स्टेट प्रेजेंट में है, पास्ट में है या फ्यूचर में. तो उसको हम लोग हेल्पिंग वर्ब कहते हैं. हेल्पिंग वर्ब का जो एग्जांपल है इज, एम, आर, वाज, वेयर, हैज, हैव, हैड, डू, डज, these all are the helping verbs. तो मेरी बात को समझने की कोशिश करिए कि verbs is the one which describe the action or the state of the subject. मानिए अगर मैं कह रहा हूं कि अयांश सो रहा है, तो यहाँ सब्जेक्ट जो अयांश है उसका जो काम है सोना या प्लेइंग, खेलना, वो वर्ब है. ये मेन वर्ब है. और हेल्पिंग वर्ब में जस्ट मैं एक सिंपल इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहा हूं कि राम इज ए गुड बॉय, वो एक अच्छा लड़का है. तो यहाँ हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज हुआ. गॉट इट? मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ?
Right.
ओके. इसी मेन वर्ब भी जो है आपका मेन क्या बोलते हैं, टेंस को क्लियर करता है. अब मैं जो बोलने जा रहा हूँ उसको ध्यान से सुनिएगा. जिन वाक्यों में सब्जेक्ट, जिस वाक्य में, जिस सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट किसी काम को कर रहा है, कोई काम किसी सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा किसी एक्शन को किया जा रहा है, तब वो सेंटेंस टेंस में आता है. जब कोई सब्जेक्ट किसी एक्शन को कर रहा है और उसमें पता चल रहा है कि ये मेन वर्ब है, तब वो चीज में टेंस के अंतर्गत आता है. और किसी सेंटेंस में हमें सिर्फ ये पता चले, उसकी अवस्था या स्थिति या सिर्फ उसके बारे में एक इंफॉर्मेशन मिले, तो वो सिर्फ सिंपल सेंटेंसेस में आता है। तो सिंपल सेंटेंसेस में मोस्टली हम लोग हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज करते हैं, और टेंस में मेन वर्ब जो एक्शन लेता है उसको हम लोग टेंस में काल जिसको बोलते हैं यूज करते हैं। क्लियर, अंडरस्टैंड मैं क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूँ?
Right.
Yeah, got it. Okay, right.
Right. Correct.
टेंस काल में वर्ब एक्शन में होता है, सिंपल सेंटेंस में वर्ब एक्शन में ना होकर सिर्फ उसकी अवस्था होती है, स्थिति होती है कि वो
Right.
8 साल का है, होगा या था। इज, एम, वाज, हैव, हैज, हैड, जो भी हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगेगा वो जो मेन वर्ब है उसकी अवस्था या स्थिति को बताने में सक्षम होगा। क्लियर? अब मैं
Right,
आप लोग को
right.
2-3 एग्जांपल देता हूं, आप लोग बताइए कि ये सिंपल सेंटेंसेस है या टेंस का सेंटेंस है। जैसे मैं आपसे कहूं कि संदीप मेरा भाई है, ये कौन सा, ये टेंस है या सिंपल सेंटेंस है?
Simple sentence.
Right.
एग्जैक्टली, क्योंकि यहाँ क्यों ये सिंपल सेंटेंसेस है?
There is no main verb.
गुड, एग्जैक्टली, यहाँ कोई एक्शन नहीं हो रहा है, जस्ट एक इंफॉर्मेशन दिया जा रहा है कि संदीप मेरा भाई है, तो ये
Right.
सिंपल सेंटेंसेस है। आज मैंने जो आपको वर्ब पढ़ा है, ये आपको मैंने एक न्यू भी रख दिया टेंस का, कि हम लोग कैसे ट्रांसलेट करेंगे किसी वाक्य को, टेंस का और सिंपल सेंटेंस का। अब मैं आगे आपसे बोलूं कि तुम मेरे कौन हो, तुम मेरे कौन हो, ये सिंपल है या टेंस का सेंटेंस है? तुम मेरे कौन हो, इस सिंपल सेंटेंस या टेंस का सेम?
Simple.
सिंपल। हाँ, या मैं ये कहूं कि राम एक अच्छा लड़का है, ये सिंपल सेंटेंस है या टेंस का सेंटेंस है?
Simple है।
सिंपल है। बस
Right.
ये पहले पकड़ना बहुत जरूरी है कि क्या सिंपल सेंटेंस है या टेंस है, क्योंकि
Yeah,
मैं
if there is an
आगे
action,
भी आप
then yeah, it is not
Yeah.
simple.
इट इज नॉट सिंपल। अगर मैं कहूं कि राम किताब पढ़ रहा है तो ये टेंस में जाएगा, और अगर मैं कहूं कि राम एक अच्छा लड़का है तो ये सिंपल सेंटेंस में जाएगा।
Right.
Clear?
Right. Clear.
Okay.
तो मैं फिर से एक बार रिवीजन कर दूं कि वर्ब जहां जिसमें एक्शन आ जाए और या फिर वो सब्जेक्ट का स्टेट बता दे। तो Ayans is playing, playing is the main verb. Ayans is 8 months old. Ayans was 8 months old. Ayans will be 8 months old. Is, was, will be. These are the helping verbs, and these are the simple sentences, and these are the second helping verbs example. Okay. अब मेन वर्ब के 3 फॉर्म होते हैं, फर्स्ट फॉर्म, सेकेंड फॉर्म एंड थर्ड फॉर्म। वी ऑल नो दैट मेन वर्ब के 3 फॉर्म होते हैं, फर्स्ट फॉर्म, सेकेंड फॉर्म एंड थर्ड फॉर्म। ये आप जितना ज्यादा आप अपने नॉलेज अपने दिमाग में रखेंगे उतना ज्यादा ये ट्रांसलेट करने में आपको आसान होगा। जैसे गो, गो का फर्स्ट फॉर्म गो, सेकेंड फॉर्म वेंट, थर्ड फॉर्म
Gone.
गॉन,
Right.
गो वेंट गॉन। मीट का मीट, मेट मेट। लीव का लिव, लेफ्ट लेफ्ट। राइट का राइट, रॉट, रिटर्न। ये 3 फॉर्म है, ये 3 फॉर्म को आपको जितना हो सके आप उसको याद कीजिए, अपने दिमाग में रखिए, ताकि ये आगे जब मैं इसके ट्रांसलेशन के बारे में बताऊंगा तो ये सारे काम आने वाले चीज है। ठीक है? तो वर्ब के दो फॉर्म है, मेन वर्ब और हेल्पिंग वर्ब। मेन वर्ब जो एक्शन को डिस्क्राइब करे, हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो अवस्था को बताए।
Right.
क्लियर?
Right. Right.
Clear.
ओके,
Clear.
थैंक यू।
Thank you, Manoj. Thank you very much. And it was really a great presentation. So let's now I'll just like some feedbacks from each one of you, like whatever we are doing here. So what is your feedback? Like what can we improve here? Yes, anybody can just give your feedbacks. या अच्छा किसी के पास से साउंड आ रहा है, प्लीज म्यूट कर लीजिए अपने आप को। किसके पास आ रहा है साउंड, तो अपने को थोड़ा म्यूट कर लीजिए ना। या राइट राइट। तो अभी हम चाहते हैं कि थोड़ा सा कुछ फीडबैक हो। So anybody can just speak out something.
It's a really great, it's a very best platform for us to speak in English, because there is only one mantra speaking, and where to speak we need a platform, and Success Pioneer Journey is a platform where we speak in English very fluently. So here is nothing
Yes,
to,
that's what our motto is. Yeah.
this is our motto, and I think this is going to be very smooth, nothing to improve in this time. uh, it is okay in my point of view, it is okay and
Right.
good.
Right. Thank you, Manoj. Thank you. Now, Mr. Biswajit, आज आपका first day है या you have also joined earlier?
So I have joined once.
Okay,
First,
okay.
since
So
yes,
what
sir.
is your opinion about this?
Sir, good, sir.
See, it's not that you are good with your communication. I can see.
Yes, sir.
You can speak, you know well. But what is this going to help you? How is this, journey is going to help you? It is going to help you because you get a chance to practice your skills,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? See,
Yes, sir.
if everybody doesn't know anything, then things are not going to work. If we are having some people who know something, then you can improve others, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Like if I say something and you find a mistake in it, you are all there to tell me because it's a small group, na? So we are in our group. There is,
Yes, sir.
nothing. Nobody is going to just think that why you pointed out my mistake. We are here to make mistake, learn from
Yes,
our
sir.
mistakes. So
Yes.
this is an open rule for this group that if anybody points at your mistakes in the sense the speaking language mistake, take it very positively. Just learn from it.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Even I am while speaking many times I will make mistakes. So you are all there to tell me that okay, I made a mistake here, isn't it? There is nobody
Yes, sir.
perfect in a language. Everybody is here to learn, isn't it? Now I
Yes.
have a request from each one of you. Can everybody come on video for just a second? Because I'll just take a photo. Or anybody can help me to take a photo. Yeah, just for one minute. Just everybody come on a video. And if there is something problem with anybody, just don't come. But as many people you can come, then okay. Manoj, can you come on video? Manoj?
No, sir.
Okay, leave it. Subrat. No, if it is not comfortable, then leave it. No problem. Fine, it is okay. Girdhari ji. Okay, leave it. Fine. So can anybody take a picture?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Can anybody take a picture and just post to me? Because I have a new mobile, it is tough for me to find out the camera here. Yes, Subrat, please take.
मेरा स्क्रीन में सबका फोटो नहीं आता है.
नहीं, उसको आपको गैलरी व्यू करना होगा.
गैलरी
वो
व्यू
तो
करना.
हाँ, गैलरी व्यू में जाना होगा.
वो गैलरी व्यू करने से भी नहीं होता मोबाइल में.
Okay. Fine. So Subrat has taken photos. Now you can just switch off your videos. No problem. Oh, Subrat is taking. Subrat taken. Subrat, have you taken the photos?
गैलरी व्यू कहाँ से?
गैलरी व्यू देखिए आप
मैंने
मोबाइल
gallery
में
आता
है
उसमें भी नहीं आता. मोबाइल में है बट इसमें टोटल
इसमें नहीं आता है. हाइड माई वीडियो इन गैलरी व्यू, उसको क्लिक करने से कुछ नहीं हो रहा है.
नहीं हो रहा है सर हमें.
Can I take a screenshot?
Yeah, okay, right. Means I don't know why I was not getting this idea that I should take a screenshot. Thank you, Manoj. Thank you. Why I was just doing so much. Thank you very much. Now.
ले लिया मैंने.
Okay.
I have taken.
Just send it to me, or
Okay.
you can put it in the group also. No problem. See, it is just to motivate others, nothing else. Fine. See, I'm not here to just say anybody, okay, why you're not coming? No problem. See, everybody has his own life. Everybody has his own, things that on Sunday everybody has to do. But at least I can try, keep on motivating, nothing else. Fine. So it is
Sir,
just for that and nothing else.
Sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
every Sunday, sir, 10 or 15 minutes, sir, we have to discuss our conversation. Conversation is a easy topic.
Very good.
Easy topic. Then, sir, we have
Exactly.
to.
That's what I try to do. No, I try to make you understand.
Sir, but
Yeah,
sir,
that's why I try
10
to make
minutes,
you
10 minutes,
speak
your
something.
just conversation or a easy topic, which is we speak out. Then, sir, gradually we have to speak
Exactly.
English frequently.
Exactly.
Exactly.
That's why. That's why.
Nice statement, sir.
See, my laptop is going to be off. Just give me 2 minutes. No, my laptop is off.
Sir, it's for next Sunday, sir, just 10 minutes for discussion. Hello. सर की लैपटॉप स्विच ऑफ हो गया शायद. हेलो.
स्विच ऑफ ही बाबा तुम लागे
स्विच ऑफ हो गला.
तो हम लोग थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करें. हेलो
सर. हेलो.
हेलो.
सुदीप्ता, सुब्रतो, गिरधारी जी, लांबा साहू, विश्वजीत, देवेंद्र, हम लोग थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करें ए और एन का. कहाँ ए लगेगा, कहाँ एन लगेगा,
एन लगेगा सर.
करें थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस.
हाँ सर.
Yes.
हेलो.
यस सर.
हेलो.
चलिए मैं बोलूं, आप लोग लगाइएगा, ठीक है.
ओके सर. हाँ.
जैसे मैं कहूं बॉय, बॉय के आगे क्या लगेगा?
A.
वेरी गुड. थोड़ा फास्ट है ना, थोड़ा फास्ट, हम लोग बहुत जल्दी खत्म करेंगे. ठीक है. पेन, पेन के आगे क्या लगेगा?
A.
ए.
वेरी गुड. यूनिवर्सिटी के आगे?
A.
यूनिवर्सिटी.
यूनिवर्सिटी.
A लगेगा सर. A लगेगा.
ए.
सुब्रत बोल रहे हैं ए लगेगा.
ए लगेगा सर.
A लगेगा सर.
सुदीप्ता जी.
हाँ.
यूनिवर्सिटी.
AEIOU, तो एन लगेगा ना?
एन लगेगा. सुदीप्ता जी एन लगेगा. अच्छा, ईयर. ईयर, साल, 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 ईयर.
ए लगेगा सर. ए यार.
एन सर.
कौन एन?
सर विश्वजीत.
विश्वजीत एन लगेगा. ओके. बकेट. ए लगेगा. ऑनेस्ट.
एन.
ऑनेस्ट, किसी को डाउट? ऑनेस्ट?
नो सर.
नो. आवर.
एन.
आवर.
ओके. एमएलए.
एन. एमएलए सर.
यूनियन.
ए यूनियन.
यूनियन.
ए यूनियन.
वेरी गुड. ऑरेंज.
ए ऑरेंज.
एन ऑरेंज.
एन ऑरेंज.
एन ऑरेंज. वेरी गुड. दो जगह सिर्फ आप लोगों में कंट्रोवर्सी हुआ, यूनिवर्सिटी और ईयर.
सर. हाँ.
मैं एक बार फिर से बोल देना चाहता हूँ, जब भी वॉवेल साउंड आएगा हिंदी वाला, जब आप यूनिवर्सिटी को हिंदी में लिखेंगे ना, हिंदी में लिखना है उसे आपको, यूनिवर्सिटी, तो यह जो है उसको आपको देखना है कि क्या यह हिंदी वाले वॉवेल साउंड में आता है. अ, आ, ई, उ, ऐ, औ, अंग, अ, इसमें क्या आता है क्या? यूनिवर्सिटी, यूनिवर्सिटी में यह जो है क ख ग घ अंग में आता है जो कॉन्सोनेंट है. तो ये जो कॉन्सोनेंट है इसके आगे ए लगेगा. वॉवेल, हिंदी वॉवेल में एन लगेगा अगर उसको हम लोग हिंदी में लिखेंगे, और उसका जो फर्स्ट लेटर है अगर वो हिंदी वाले वॉवेल साउंड में रहेगा तो उसके आगे एन लिखेंगे. अब आप बताइए यूनिवर्सिटी के आगे क्या लिखेंगे?
ए.
एग्जैक्टली ए यूनिवर्सिटी, है ना. अब ईयर, आप साल वाला ईयर हम लोग कैसे लिखेंगे हिंदी में? ईयर, य बड़ी
Yeah.
की मात्रा ई अ र, ईयर,
हम्म,
है ना। अब हम जब कान को बोलेंगे ईयर, कान,
Yes.
ईयर के आगे क्या लिखेंगे?
एन लिखेंगे, एन ये तो।
एग्जैक्टली एन लिखेंगे, क्योंकि हम जब हिंदी में ईयर लिखेंगे तो बड़ी इमली वाला ई य र, ईयर लिखेंगे, वो अ आ ई में आता है, तो वो हिंदी का वोवेल साउंड है ईयर, इसलिए यहाँ ईयर में एन लगाएंगे। और नया साल वाला ईयर, उसमें हम लोग य से स्टार्ट करते हैं ईयर, इसके आगे ए लगाएंगे। Isn't it clear?
यस सर।
क्लियर सुदीप्ता जी?
yes,
Yes, sir.
चलिए, अब चूंकि सर का लैपटॉप ऑफ हो गया था तो हम लोग सोचा कि अपने टाइम को थोड़ा सा यूटिलाइज कर लें।
चलो, ओके।
ओके सर, हेलो। अच्छा लगता है सर फिर गायब हैं।
Yeah, now it is coming. Is my
Yeah,
voice
yeah.
audible? No?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Audible,
thank
sir.
you very much, everybody.
Thank you.
Yeah. So one thing I'll just like to say that just keep on practicing every day. Whatever I'm posting every day,
Your sound is gone.
it is getting disconnected every time. I don't know what is happening. So just what I wanted to say that keep on practicing every day. That has got a purpose. When I'm posting some words, when I'm posting asking you to write some stories, that has a very specific purpose. You keep on doing this for 1-2 months, you'll find the difference, that what you get. Whatever level you are at, it is going to improve day by day, day by day, and day by day. So, and we'll have practice. I'm planning to do 2 more days of classes with this, because I have to take few subscriptions. So we'll just talk about it. So if you are interested, you can just come out for 3 days. All
Not
actually, net is
audible.
getting disconnected. So let's call. Now it is okay. See, actually,
Okay.
it is net is there's some disturbance with the net. It is going every time. I don't know. Maybe due to the my power is not, laptop is not totally charged. That's why it may be due to that. So let's call it a day today, and we'll just discuss more on it. So in maybe that okay in this week, next week, in between we'll have one session. Like I'll have a session on something else. So if you are interested, you can just come and join, and we'll discuss more on how to take this success paying journey ahead. Fine. And please write some feedback on the in WhatsApp and in Facebook groups, and try to like something whatever I write, because there is a organization called Convo site. So they are tracking our how many likes we get, or how many discussions we are having. So they have started tracking us. So I get a message every day that okay, there is this is that and this is that. So but actually try to participate, write some comments, help others also. If you find somebody writing something different, then you just correct it. There is nothing right or wrong here. We have to learn from each other. So let's call it a day today, and thank you very much. Please just try to join every Sunday. And what is your opinion? Like, can we have 3 days classes like this? But it will not be of 1.5 hours. It will just 45 minutes or 1 hour only. So if some persons will be just interested, we can go ahead with that. Fine. So what is your all opinion about this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Dev. Okay, I'll just talk to that about that personally, or we can have one day some session like half an hour we can take and discuss like that. That what else? See, just keep on thinking what we can do to improve this, or what extra can we give, or how you can contribute to this group. Fine, by writing something, by just sharing something, means sharing some knowledge, or I think it is only my internet that is unstable today. Know what has happened. So let's call it a day today, and just give your feedbacks in WhatsApp and Facebook, because if you write something, that is going to motivate others also. And the more number of people we'll have in our group, or we'll have more discussions, and we'll have more to learn then, because everybody who comes to this group has something to give to the group, something to share. Everybody is thinking, his learnings are different. So when we are say 20 people, means we are having 20% experienced people. Like you add their experiences, then you think of what experience will be having here. We are not just students, we are all working persons. So we have our own experiences, we can share it, and we can make others also learn from that. I can learn from your experiences, you can learn from my experiences, like that it goes. Fine. So just I'll call it a day, and thank you all for this session today. And just go ahead and give your feedbacks in the WhatsApp group and the Facebook group.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, Manoj.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Subrat. Thank you, Dev.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Girdhari ji. Thank you,
Welcome,
Baba
sir.
Sahu
Welcome,
ji.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Mr. Biswajit. You had a very good participation today, and I just liked the way you just also helped us learn many things.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Biswajit. And thank you, everybody. Thank you, Sudipto ji, the most consistent person in this group. And Manoj is there, and Sudipto ji is always there in this group. And
Thank you, sir.
Subrat is there, Dev is there. So everybody, I just thank each one of you for at least taking this group ahead. See, even if there is 1 or 2 persons that will come here, we'll go ahead with the sessions. Fine. So it's not that, okay, fine, if 20 people doesn't come, then we'll not have the session. We'll have the session even 1 person joins the session. Fine. Or if nobody joins, then again, I can have this recording at least. So just thank you again. Let's call it a day. So I'll just end the meeting today and go ahead and just give your feedbacks. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good night,
Thank
sir.
you. Good night. Good night.
Good night.